How to generate a QR code for WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate a QR code for your WhatsApp group, making it super easy for others to join. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp on your phone. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the group. Now, once you are inside the group chat, simply tap on the group name at the top, and from here simply scroll down to the members section. Now here you can see the option labeled as invite to group via link, so simply tap on that. And now here on the next page you can see the option labeled as QR code, so simply select that option. And after that, there you have it, a QR code for your WhatsApp group that will be displayed on your screen. Now, anyone with this QR code can scan it using their WhatsApp camera to join instantly. You just need to tap on the share button in the top right corner and you can choose to save, print, or send the QR code to others. And that's it. With just a few taps, you have made joining your WhatsApp group quick and effortless. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.